Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In my previous video, my mosquito repellent didn't work, so I've purchased a rechargeable bug zapper. Stay tuned for more. Welcome once again to our channel, Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. So today I'll be sharing with you guys the unboxing of my rechargeable bug zapper. So I just purchased one today because these mosquitoes are just ridiculous. So it comes in this little plastic bag, and the plastic bag has a zipper right at the top of the racket. So I'm just gonna unzip it and then pull out the racket. So the charger is right here, tucked right at the bottom of this little cute stand. So I decided to purchase this box zapper because I saw somebody had it and it was doing a good job. So I thought, let me try it out. So it has all the, showing you the different bugs that it would zap, and that it has a battery, and then it has all the instructions. Something very easy to use. So let's untap all the buttons that are there. Yeah, slot it in the stand, ready to charge. Oops. Yeah, so now I have the correct one. It's supposed to charge from between 3 to 5 hours. Yeah, so let's do some charging here. And make sure this charger goes in. Yeah, supposed to have a light on, but I'm not seeing it since I'm outdoor. So what I'm going to do is I'll bring it indoor so you can see how it lights when it's charging. And I'm sorry about the background noise. I'm using the bug zapper, so you're hearing it zipping. This is how it looks. I brought it indoor so you could see the light. So 4 hours later, I decided to bring it outdoor near my boots. As you can see, there are some mosquitoes buzzing right at the top. So I'm gonna turn on the light on the side, and then it will have this blue light which you can place on the table, and the mosquitoes will buzz around and get killed. So I'm trying to catch one. Yeah. Oops, you see that light? That's a mosquito caught. So I've brought it also in this vehicle. Can you see that? A lot of them are being zapped. And it makes some sounds. Yeah. So thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos, like and share. Goodbye.